Hello to everyone. So two of the most important prepper things you can have is this instant corn masa and some what is this, lard. This is cheaper than Crisco. And so say something comes up and you don't have any money or much resources, you can make, in place of bread, maybe a couple of little tortillas. Okay, so all you have to know about this stuff is it's about 1 part flour to half part water. So I will just make some nice little tortillas here. I want to get like a bread dough here, like a little batch of bread dough. So I just want to make 2. And another thing is, I want to learn how to make this kind of stuff so I'm not wasting my resources if I just need 2 or 3. So this time I'm just gonna shape them in some little tortilla like patties, to go with my beans. I'm not making a big deal out of these. I just need 2. I just made some quick beans and I want a little, a little batch of tortillas. And somebody asked me if I can use my lard, so I'm frying my tortillas. And here is I'll show you my soup. So these tortillas, I just made them like little pancakes. Okay, I'll be back.